Wait, do not tell me you're still using regular toothpaste. Like, how could you? I used to use regular toothpaste until I realized my mouth wasn't actually fresh. In fact, my teeth was almost decaying. Then I found RIRAH Clove and Mint toothpaste. After using it consistently for 2 weeks, I began to see changes in my teeth.
It kills bacteria, keeps my breath fresh for hours, makes me feel confident, and keeps my teeth shining all day.
If your toothpaste isn't doing this, switch to RIRAH Clove and Mint toothpaste. Get yours now from the nearest supermarket.
All right, that ad video you just watched is called UGC ad. That is user-generated content. And the truth is UGC ads are in vogue right now because people are trying to sell, people are trying to make their products get to their target market, and they would need someone to talk about the credibility of their products. Now, this UGC ads is more like a real person talking about a product, the camera. They could be giving a recommendation, they could be giving a review, they could be giving a thought about that particular product they used. And if you go through Pinterest, you would see a lot of AI ads. As you can see, this particular one now is even AI. This is an AI ad. You can see the VO3 watermark there. See different UGC ads. You just have a content creator talking to the camera, and then you can just create this. You know, I taught you how to create hyper-realistic humans, right? I think that's day 3 of our 30 days AI content class, where I taught you how to create hyper-realistic humans. It's important you make your creations hyper-realistic. Whatever character you're going to use has to be hyper-realistic. So we are going to start from the scratch and then create a UGC content. You can see all of these are UGC ads. All of them are UGC ads. So we're going to go over to ChatGPT and then explain what we want to achieve. Now I'm going to get a character, and then I'm going to get a product, and then I'm going to get the visual prompt. Listen, I want you to act as a brand strategist and also a UGC scriptwriter and UGC ad creator with 20 years of experience in creating UGC ads that have converted for various campaigns all over the world. You're going to give me a character because I want to create an AI ad, an AI UGC ad precisely. So we are going to be talking about toothpaste. You're going to be talking about toothpaste, and name of the toothpaste is RIRAH toothpaste, RIRAH toothpaste. So it's going to be a mixture of clove and mint. Cloves and mint. Then we are going to have a hype. I need you to see, first of all, you're going to give me the character description. My character has to be a hyper-realistic looking Nigerian lady. She's 25 years old. She has got bright, shining teeth. Her teeth is sparkling. You know those close-up ads? You know those RB ads and the rest of that? Hyper-realistic. It has to be sparkling and extremely clean. And she's got beautiful dentition too. She's going to be, we are going to see the teeth because of course that's the ad focus. She has got nice face. The face has to be hyper realistic. We could see a tiny bit of acne, and then she has got full lips. She's looking all natural and beautiful, no makeup. And then for her hair, I want natural hair. Let's say natural afro hair. Or should we use afro? Okay, let's say natural hair tied in a bun. Natural hair tied in a bun, and then she's got slick edges. Then she's going to be in front of the camera. You know how you just see ads are, because I'm going to create the character first, then I'm going to turn it to videos. So I'm aiming for a 20-second ad where she's going to hold the product. Okay, first of all, you're going to give me the character description, and then you're going to give me the product description, and then you're going to give me images. I want her holding the product, and you're going to give me what she's going to see. Now, for 20 seconds, I think I'm going to have about 4 to 5 scenes because my video generator only does 8 seconds per scene. And additionally, I would want you to ensure that whatsoever she says is going to be captivating, and then there's going to be a call to action like link in my bio, shop this, or get yours in supermarkets or something like that. It has to be hyper realistic. So that's just me explaining it. Like I'd always tell you, explain what you want to achieve to AI, and AI is going to help you get the entire idea. Don't stress yourself. Okay, so all I'm going to do now is I'm going to start creating the images, and then I'll turn it to video. So here is our image, but there are a few changes I'm going to make to this image. I'm going to change her outfit and I'm going to change the setting. I'm going to say I want her wearing a robe and she stands in a bathroom. So let's work with that. And since she's going to be speaking, I'm going to need a voice prompt for her. So I'm going to say, give me a voice prompt for her. So here's the voice prompts. ChatGPT even went on to give me the scripts prompts, like how the script should be read. Let me go back and see. So by the way, if you've not liked this video, what are you waiting for? Click on the like button, subscribe to this channel. So this is the video prompt. What she says, wait, you are still using regular toothpaste. I'm going to increase the text. I like this. So I'm going to click on animate and I'm going to paste the text, paste her voice prompt and paste everything. And by the way, I'm using lights for this. And the image generation is free on Nano Banana. So I'm going to go over to create the next image. That's for scene 2. I'm going to click on add to prompt.
Wait, do not tell me you're still using regular toothpaste. Like, how could you?
Okay, here we have the woman. And I'm going to, so we are going to click on animate and animate this. So I've added the prompt. All I'm going to do now is create. Let me listen to this again and hear the accent.
Wait, do not tell me you're still using regular toothpaste. Like, how could you? I used to use regular toothpaste until I realized my mouth wasn't actually fresh. In fact, my teeth was almost decaying.
Okay, so we have that set. The next scene is scene 3, and I'm going to create an image. Then the next scene is the benefits, that's scene 4. So you're going to have her brushing with that toothpaste. I'm going to create another image. So this is the image I'm going to create next. She's brushing, the toothpaste is on one hand, she brushes her teeth with the other hand. Let's create. By the way, let's listen to this.
Then I found RIRAH clove and mint toothpaste. After using it consistently for 2 weeks, I began to see changes in my teeth.
Okay, so that's amazing. I want to see the image, then we'll go to the next video. Okay, so this is the image. I'm going to animate this. Then let's see. Let's add a script and see how that's going to go. Our video is ready. Let's check it out.
It kills bacteria, keeps my breath fresh for hours, makes me feel confident, and keeps my teeth shining all day.
Let's see the next scene we're supposed to create. So we're going to create the image first. So the last scene is already generating. That's the image. I'm going to go edit the video prompt now. I'm done editing the prompt. If your toothpaste isn't doing this, switch to RIRAH clove and mint toothpaste now. Get yours now from the nearest supermarket. And once I'm done creating everything, I'm just going to download it and then edit it on CapCut. I'm going to add the clips together. So that's exactly how you create UGC ads. Now note, for whatever product you are working with, skincare, you need to lay emphasis on the product and then the user. If it was a serum, if it was a skincare product, for example, you would see the user applying that product on probably the skin, the face, you grab, right? If it was perfume, like this, would see the person spraying the perfume. If it was a drink, would see the person gulping it. If it was lip gloss, anything you are doing a UGC ad for, we need to see the user making use of it or talking about it, because you are trying to convince people that this product works. I've used it, so you should use it too. It has to be really convincing. And many brands need this. Many brands need UGC content. You could even create for images. As you can see, images, images, images. So that's exactly how you can create something like this. And I'd like to see your creations. You can create on social media and then tag me. And one thing I need to emphasize on is you're not just watching these videos because you don't have anything to do. You're watching this to learn and implement. So begin to post on your social media. Nobody is perfect. That's one thing I need you to note. So many of you are waiting for perfection. No, just start. Post. People would critique, people would say all sort of things, but just post. Your aim of doing this is to make money. You want to get clients. And how would clients find you if you're not posting? So post on your social media accounts, TikTok, Instagram. Don't even wait for somebody to give you a job first. The truth is, there are many AI niches you can go into that you don't even have to wait for someone to give you a job before you begin to earn. You could just create a TikTok account on just UGC content. You just say UGC ad creator. You are creating images, videos, UGC content. Brands would reach out to you. Please, can you help me create a UGC ad for this? Can you help me create a UGC ad for this? You give them your price, you get paid. For those of you that will be complaining of the tools are not free, you have VO3 Lite, 50 credits daily for free. So use it, implement it, post on social media, tag me when you can. I'd like to see your work. Let's check out the final output.
If your toothpaste isn't doing this, switch to RIRAH Clove and Mint toothpaste. Get yours now from the nearest supermarket.
So I'm just going to edit everything in CapCut, and that's how I got the output you saw from the beginning of the video. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!